Hey y'all, welcome to my lecture. I recorded this part. We kind of did this on day one, but I wanted to revisit it. There's a worksheet that corresponds with this, but you need to be able to see the pictures I'm about to show you before you can fill out the worksheet. So here we go. This is my Why Makeup lecture. I'm going to read to you like you're a little kid. So in the theater, ideas about people are expressed through the medium of people. If people are important, their faces are eminently important. Every day, each of us creates a little more of our own distinctive mask. Each decision or lack of decision makes an eventual difference in how we look. Cosmetics provide no vanishing cream for the etchings of time and experience. Only the retouch photographer, the plastic surgeon, or the undertaker can succeed in this task. Faces are abstracts of our lives. And I wanted to show you this example of 3 generations. A grandmother, 2 generations, a grandmother and her grandchild, and then child's holding a baby doll. In the beginning, children are unmarked, yet even these perfect faces can be quickly altered by drastic experiences, such as those created by neglect and poverty, abuse, and war. However, given a protected childhood and adolescence, this face will stay fresh until it is about age 20. From then on, changes accumulate at a rate of speed proportionate to what goes on inside and outside our bodies. Our faces can be creased by climate. Faces can reflect occupation or lack of an occupation. Anxiety reshapes features quickly. Apprehensive faces are shared by the rich and the poor. Our affluent society is built on a hive of interlocked pressures, demands, and competition. Facial muscles respond to the repetition of emotional expressions and may record the tightened contractions of hatred. A tracery of laugh lines. Or the haunted gaze of suffering brought about by pain, fear, or grief. Characterization is one of the playwright's most potent tools. I think we'd all agree on that. Dialogue is shaped by the vessel from which it comes. The author molds his character with great care so that their variations in texture, rhythm, and coloration will result in compelling contradictions and resolutions. The playwright selects from nature and heightens reality. Such meticulous observation of the human scene should lead the makeup artist to the same sources. Abraham Lincoln once refused to hire a man because he did not like his face. He apparently believed that he could judge by what he saw. Today's sophisticated and educated viewpoint tends to discount and rationalize visual evidence. Although there is a danger in stuffing people into convenient pigeonholes, certain messages are present in faces waiting to be seen. So I was hopeful that you would kind of pause and look at the pictures. Hopefully you can see them really clearly, and then fill in your impressions on what you see in the right-handed column on that worksheet. I also left a place at the bottom for notes and a few quotes that I really liked. So when this worksheet is done, please submit it in the week 1 folder. Thank you guys.